Hi, my name is Victoria Barrow. I'm a student at Laterno University. I have created 4 activities for a workstation in rainforest. This one is for a second grade class, and I have created the activities that it will target a variation of learners. I'm going to go ahead and explain the activities. One of the activities is going to be a computer game, and the students will just follow directions with, for example, over here it says jewels of the earth, and it's enter the forest. And the students will just follow directions, but there's the different kind of animals and plants they live in the forest, and it is classified in 4 ways. One is the forest floor, the understory, canopy, and the emergent. So the students will have to drag the animal and move it, and if it's wrong, you would just say, "I'll try again." For example, in the canopy, they can put parrot, and so on for this one. I thought this one is a really neat activity for rainforest because it will help the students classify, the 4 different types of the rainforest. Another one is I have one over here where I have some rainforest animals pictures, and the pictures have the name, the kind of animals that is on there, and the students are supposed to pick an animal that take, for example, the token, and of course they'll have to write their name on here, and then they're just gonna put "I am a token," and I have how many legs this kind of bird has, and I have my body covering by feathers, for example, on this one, and what part of the forest do they live? They live in water or in the trees, and then how do they get around? If they fly, if they walk, if they swim. And over here they just have to classify, what kind of the kind of class of animals this pictures are. So this is my second activity. My third activity is just very simple. The students are going to have colorful markers or crayons, and they're just going to draw a pictures of the forest. But the thing about this one, I'm just going to turn it on a little bit. The thing about this pictures is they're going to imagine to be one of the rainforest animals, and they're going to create their habitat. If they're birds, so they're going to create a sky, where they fly, and so they're just going to use their imagination for this drawing. And my last activity, it just called "How do they travel?" The rainforest animals. These pictures will be pictures that we will create, earlier in the unit, and I'm going to have my students draw a picture of a rainforest animal, and then we're going to use them at the workstation. So, for example, this workstation, we're going to divide them that way they can classify the animals, how they travel. So I have over here they travel by water, so they swim. If they travel by land, they walk, or if they travel by air, if they're birds. So the students will just have to, pick the animals and just, of course, divide them up, depending on which paper plate they belong to. These are my 4 activities that I have created. I hope you guys enjoy it, and thank you so much for watching the video.